Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how I crafted my very own DIY 3-ring agenda planner. So I'm completely addicted to planners, and instead of buying it this time, I thought I would try something new and different. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and I got some of these placemats and I just started cutting and sewing. Anyway, let me show you how I made this. I decided to pick up 3 of the placemats straight from the Dollar Tree. Really impressed that they were made in the USA, and I used a current planner I have as a template. I placed 2 placemats together, right sides together, and I'm clipping them together, and what I'm going to do is cut them out so I get 2 of the same shapes for the whole body of the planner. Next, I'm sewing them together, and I'm just really sewing about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge of the planner body. And I am using a heavy-duty sewing machine as well as a heavy-duty thread because I do want to see it as part of the detail of the final planner. Now I'm going to cut out and sew the interior pockets, both the front one and the back one, and I'm going to clip it down and sew it just like I did to the body of the planner. If you're loving this tutorial video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you can be up to date with all of my other tutorials. And I did decide to slip in that closing flap last minute. So far this looks and feels great, just like a planner. So my next step is to add the ring mechanism here, which I bought on Amazon, and I did link below in the description in the event that you want to create it yourself. Perfect hole, so I'm going to use the rivet tool here that I just happen to have handy, and I'm going to do it off camera, so I actually do it on the floor with a hammer. So here we go. They came out perfect. I'm just going to unscrew the little pieces here so that the mechanism attaches perfectly to this used to be placemat. One last finishing touch is this gold buckle, which I'm going to slip right in through the flap here. And I think it really gives it a nice finishing touch when the whole thing is closed. Look at that. So pretty. So what I'm going to do is hot glue a nice thick plastic button there so that the flap actually sits flush to the front of the planner. And then I have industrial Velcro, which I will put right into place. And the adhesive is already strong there, but I'm just going to reinforce it with some hot glue. And here we go. This came out so pretty, and I honestly can't even believe I made it and how simple it was. So I hope that this video inspires you to make your own 3-ring agenda planner, because I'm telling you, it was so easy. Anyway, if you love planner videos, go ahead and check out my other planner videos right up here on the screen, and thank you so much for watching.